Hi everybody, welcome to the channel House of Trades. I am Rashmi and today we are going to see the condition what's going on in the market. As you can see currently there is a rise in the price from this particular level until here, that is current position. So I think the price will still rise up high. So let me just check on the other time frames as well before we take any kind of calls. Okay, so if we are in the 1 minute chart, we can see that there is a decline. But if you see over a period of time from here, there has been a spike. Since this is a 5 minute chart, you will see more number of candles, right? So if you see from here, like from here, okay, you see this, okay, there is a rise in the price. Okay, similarly, let's see in the 5 minute channel, 5 minute time frame channel, 5 minute time frame, there is a rise. Okay, all right. Okay, now here also you can see that the price has, it is a uptrend going on. I mean to say, when I say rise in the price, it means it's an uptrend right now currently. Okay, here also if you see it's a 30-minute chart, there is an uptrend. The price is rising from this, that is from 1.01310 up till the current situation, that is 664 points, 644 points, above. That is somewhere around 1.01949. Okay. So as you can see, there is an uptrend at the moment, in most of the charts. Even in the 1 hour candle, you can see there is an uptrend. Okay, here see this. Okay, the price, let me just minimize it. Yeah, so if you see in the 1 minute chart, in the 1 hour chart, the price went down somewhere here, and from there it's been rising now. Okay, so from this point till here, that is the current point, it is somewhere, it's covering around 2405 points. Okay, so there is an uptrend. Okay, here as you can see, there was a kind of, there is a strong uh, resistance, because the price is touching this points. Okay, that is, this is the price, this is the level it is touching, and it's falling back down. Okay, but again it's going up, coming down. So this is a strong resistance. Even if you see here, it has touched this point. What is the price? The price is 1.02749 is the price where you have a strong resistance. So currently, there are chances that, again, this price which is currently rising high, it will come down till this point, and then it will again, drop back down. Okay, so let me see in the 4 hour chart. Yeah, again the same thing. See, it's rising. Okay, so since there is an uptrend at the moment, it is okay, like, you can take a buy call at the time. Okay, but before that I will have to check few things, like, the price, that is the support and the resistance we need to check. Hence, let me just minimize it further here. Okay, I'm just maximizing it. So, okay, now I feel there is a strong resistance at this level because the price has touched here and then it's come back down. Okay. See, to measure the resistance, if the price is rising, this was a resistance. Slightly the price came down and again it's moving up and it's crossed that line. Okay. This was a resistance, this was a resistance. So basically the price touched this point twice, but now it has crossed that point, and it has begun further. So I think it will touch somewhere here. Okay. Um, okay. And then the next resistance will be somewhere around here. Okay. So let me mark these two. So this is one point where you get a resistance. Okay. As you can see here, this is another point where you get resistance. Okay. Price is actually right now over here. Okay. In this area. Okay. And the higher price is somewhere here. Okay, this is one more resistance where the price is actually dripped down from. Okay, now let me just minimize it to check the support. Okay, now if you see the support, this could be a support. Okay, wait. Okay, see, slightly here it is touched. It's taken a support. The price was rising high. Okay, somewhere here, and then it's dropped down slightly over here, right? So, and then it's touched 2-3 times here. If you see these candles, 3-4 candles have touched, and then it has taken a support, especially at this level. Okay, so I'm going to take this as well into consideration. This is one more thing that we need to see. This point here also, the price has touched, it has taken a support, and it has gone up. Currently we are at this level, that is at 1.09, sorry, 1.01923, somewhere, at that price. So now let me just minimize it and see. Okay. Now if you see, if the price dips down, then where will it take support? This was one support and this is the other one. Okay. Now let's count the points. Okay. And take the call strategically. Okay. So, yeah. Hmm. So currently the price is here. Okay. If we take this as the resistance, 633 points we will cover. Okay. But when we take this as the support, it's only 288 points. Correct? So it could be a potential call because it is somewhere, 2 is to 1 is to 2 proportion. That is, if one is the loss, the profit will be double of it. So if you see this, these points are, this is somewhere, see, 293, that is, consider it is 300 points. Okay. And if you take this as the support, okay, then, and if you take this as the resistance, that means it is somewhere around 650 points here, 643 or 650 points. So 300 and 650 is in 1 is to 2 proportions. Hence now we can just, put up the values. That means when the price is rising high, it will, if it takes support, I mean resistance here, it will drip down from here. Okay, so the points covered, the profit will be covered between these points. Okay, but if there's a loss, then it will be only one. That means only one part of it will be in the loss. Okay, so that will be somewhere around 200 points. Okay, so now when you take a buy call, okay, here, and then let me place values for stop loss and take profit. Okay. So now I have placed the values of stop loss and take profit. Okay. I'm just going to delete these lines so that it is visible for you all to clearly understand. If if need be, I can shift the stop loss, okay, if I feels. So it depends. Now let's see, right now we are at a loss of minus $3.52, okay, and I still have hopes that this will go up. Okay, right now it's coming down because as you can see here, see, initially the price, it's hit at this point, the same point it is hitting again and coming down. Okay, so again it will rise, okay, and somewhere it will touch over here. Okay, it will take some time, but I will inform you shortly. Okay, bye bye. So guys, I'm just going to slightly move this downwards, okay, and take this point as your, and move the stop loss also, little bit downwards, because I'm sure this will come down and again it will go up, but it should not hit the stop loss. So I'm just trying to ensure that it should not hit the stop loss, because once it hits the stop loss it will auto close. Okay, so whatever profits, then we can't make changes. Whatever is there in the profit, we'll have to take that and be out of the call. So hence that's how you can save from um uh, eh, getting the wrong profits or making mistakes, kind of. Okay, so ensure that you are continuously monitoring the situation, and slowly and gradually take the calls. Don't be in a hurry. First, I want you to analyze the situation, analyze each of the time frames that we have. After analyzing the time frames, identify what is the trend going on. After analyzing what is the trend going on, you know, r- then you have to again analyze which is the, what do you say, the support and the resistance, mark them. After that, you have to mark the points that these are the points I will cover, if it goes on a profit, or if it it's touching the stop loss. Okay, so that's how you take a call strategically. You think from each and every angle, and then slowly and gradually you take a call. Okay, you can shift your stop loss or a take profit depending on the situation. There's nothing like you can't change in it. You can definitely make these changes, but the changes should be kind of a slight change in the plan. It should not be a change wherein the whole plan is changing. Okay, uh, once you can only change these values. You can't change, like for example, if you have taken a buy call, you can't change a buy call to a sell call. Okay, for if you want it to be a sell, then it has to be a new call. Okay, and then you'll have to come out of the call if you wish to, the previous call I'm talking about. Okay, so you can make slight changes in the trading when you trade, but it's not like you can just go upside down. Okay, so I let you know in a short while how the results will be, okay, for this. In the meanwhile, just hold down with us, okay? Wait for the result. I'll get back to you on this. Hello, guys. I'm back. Now, as you can see, currently we are on a $12 profit, okay? $12.52 somewhere around, or maybe 80 cents, okay, whatever. So let's consider it is only $12, okay. So what happened is we took a call on this particular candle when we took a call, okay, and from then the price was like decreasing. Okay, suddenly it started to again rise up, and as you can see here, I feel it may still rise further. Okay, so I'm going to avoid closing the call before it touches the stop loss. But yeah, if the situation turns around the table, then I might think of closing the call earlier. Okay, so let's see. this is the importance, and this is the way you should take a call, by thinking the positive side and the negative side. By before you take any call, you have to take these measures. Why is it so important? Because you need to know what you will be getting in your hand, and what losses, if even if you are getting any loss, then whether you will be able to cover it up or not. Okay, so always ensure that you check these points, and then you get into any kind of trading or trade. Okay, that's why it is said that it is very much important for you to check all the things, like for example, I always mention that you have to check the time frames, the trend, the the resistance, the support, everything A to Z. You have to first see whether it is a potential call or not. Just don't take a call just for just for what do you say, just for the taking sense. Okay, just don't take that trade. Okay, you have to take any trade because you have to see whether you can get any profits out of it, and or a loss. Okay, and that you have to check before you take any kind of trade. Okay, yeah. Hi guys, I'm back. Currently, we just finished with this candle, and a formation of a new candle has started. So I think this is the decision point. If this candle moves up, you know, then maybe we will touch the take profit line. Okay, which is over here, as you can see these dotted lines. Okay, but if it is going down, since this is the area where previously also the price has decreased, so we might go ahead and close the call. Okay, so right now we can see that there is a profit of $14.20, somewhere around $14. Hopefully we get more. So friends, currently, just just 2 3 seconds back, it did touch the take profit, and it was in green color. Hopefully we can see it again, and as you can see, we have reached $15 at the time. And the bar graph, the candlestick pattern is still more rising ahead. The price is rising. Okay, I still hope that it touches the take profit. And let's see, let's hope for the best. There you can see here, it's touched the take profit, and the call is still on. I have not closed the call, and we are not auto closing, because um, still this green color means on the take profit, because it there are chances that it will go above, so we must wait. So guys, it's I think it's about to touch the take profit. I think there is very slight price difference left between this line and your as you see here, the dotted lines, and the price that is it is on currently. Once it is crossing this line, that means it will touch the take profit, and maybe we hopefully will be somewhere around $20 or $19 or so, I feel so. So let's hope for the best, and let's see how things go. So we saw that the price actually hit the take profit, and it got auto closed, and we have the profit of $20.52. That means now that's how, that is why it is very very important to take a call. After measuring the profit, the loss, after taking careful steps of the taking basically measures, and thinking about things beforehand before we take any kind of trade, just for not just not for the sake of taking it,
but actually to earn something. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Hi, friends. Welcome to another episode of House of Trades. This is Rashmi. Yesterday, we had a good day. We earned around $20, which was a good, amount, somewhere around, I think, 1,500 rupees or so. Today, let's see, how is the situation at the time, and accordingly, we can take a call. Today is a Friday, so it won't be a long call because Saturday, Sunday, the market will be, not functional. So at the moment, let's see what is the condition. And usually, as I have told you all before, that I take a call on the hourly chart. But now for today, I'm going to take a call on minute chart, like 5 minute chart, or maybe 1 minute chart. Okay, or maybe 15 minutes. I would like to take that. So I'm just going to first see how the situation is. So as we always do, we first analyze the trend. So we see the time frames first. We are just going to take a basic call. First analyzing what is the trend going on, checking on all the time frames. Doing a basic research of support and resistance, like support one, support two, kind of like that, or resistance one, resistance two. Then we will measure, the risk to reward ratio, and then, we'll think of taking a call if there is a potential call. Only then we take a call. Okay. So in the minute chart, right now, I can see if I'm just maximizing this. So currently I can see that there is a decline, okay, in the price, okay. There was a steep high here, okay, and now the price has started to decline, okay. But if you minimize it, okay, if it had to go up, you know, if it had to go up, then we were over here at this point, that is on the price 1.01874 directly. If you see in the past, it has touched this particular area before also, which is the same area as here. Okay. So if it had to go up, okay, it has touched here and it has touched here as well. Okay. If it has to go up from this level, then it would directly go here somewhere, at this line. Okay. But it has started to decline. So now it may take a support over here, because here, if I'm just, maximizing this, so it will take, if you can see this here, okay, so many times the price has taken a support and there's a slight, upward direction, it has grown, okay. So I feel again it will come back down and it will take some support here and go back again up, okay. If not, then again, see, it's going up now. Okay. However, this is a 1 minute chart, so things will be very, very, spontaneous. Let's go and see what is happening in the 5 minute chart. It will be more or less the same. So, okay. Now see here. Again, there is a steep decline. The price went down. Okay. Okay, from this point it went down and it is rising, fallen down and rised again. Okay, oh sorry, then here also it was in the 1 minute chart also the price dipped down. It was not raising, it has dipped down. So let me just analyze it once again. Once again. We thought this is uh, where is it? Yeah. Hmm. So yeah, yeah, this is actually a bearish candle, not a bullish candle. Okay. This is not a bullish candle. Yeah. See, the price has actually dripped down. Okay. And then it started to rise again. Okay. So I think it will rise because if you see this structure, okay, it is on a rising, right now it's on the uptrend. Okay. You see the overall structure. Somewhere it is rising from here. Yeah. So if it is rising, then it will go. Yeah. So it will again go up till here because this was the point when it is dripping, and if it has to go up, it will go up till here. Yeah. So you are right. Now on the 5 minute chart also you can see. Let me just maximize it. This is a bearish candle, and see the price came down. Okay. Now again it's rising. So I usually don't prefer taking calls on 5 minute or a 15 minute chart. I mostly prefer on the 1 hour chart or maybe 4 hours chart because it's much better to analyze over there. I feel so. This is my personal opinion. But you can have your own choices. You can make those choices. And right now, I feel the price will go up. Okay, so if we consider this as the resistance because here there is a strong resistance. Okay, here also there is a resistance. Okay, because previously before this it has touched this point here. Okay, and I'm just going to minimize it. Yeah. So if I minimize, I see here that the support it has taken is somewhere here, isn't it? See, this is the point. This is the area. Okay, or you can say this is the area. Okay, so if this is the support. Okay, let me just minimize it further. What is the next support? It's somewhere here because previously below this it has gone till this level. Okay, so this is that point. Okay, now let's see if we take a buy call, how many points, right now we are here. Okay, so from this point until here, we are covering up somewhere 537 points. Okay, consider this is 540, 550 points. Okay, we move this slightly upwards over here. So this will be somewhere 563, 550 points. And from this place till here, it is 445 points. Okay, so it is not a potential call because it is somewhere, or 1:1 is the ratio of profit and loss. So it's not a potential call, I feel so. Okay, but if you take, let's see what is the support it has taken previously. So if you see, it has taken support. Now this was the level. Okay, or maybe you can take this also. Okay, you can move this line slightly upwards. Okay, now count what is the support. It will be slightly higher because we have increased it. So from this point until here, 793 points, 739 points, and still it is 391 points. It's still low. No, 399 and 7. Yeah, this is okay, I feel so. But I would like to check about the next support, next resistance first. So it goes till here. Okay, this at this point, it has not touched, it has touched twice on a 5 minute calendar. And then if you see earlier on the 2nd of August, it has touched, to this level before 3 times. 1, 2, 3, if you see over here. See, these are the points. I'm just going to slide this on. Yeah. So it's touching at this level, at this price. That is, the price is 1.0254. 8. Okay, so that's where it is touching. This is the line it is touching. Okay, and then this is the highest point at the moment. Okay, so let's see if we consider this as the resistance as well. Okay, okay. Now, okay, yeah, we are covering all the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay. So now let's measure the points. Okay. You take if it's going up. Okay. So these are 1096 points and 448 points. Okay. So if you take this as the take profit, if you take a buy call, okay, then your stop loss, sorry, take profit will be somewhere over here, okay, at this line, below this red line, okay. If you consider this, then it is only 676. Then this does not become a potential call for me because the ratio is not, 1:2. Okay. So I would take, I'm going to remove these lines. Let's consider, let's delete this. Let's delete this as well. Okay. Now I want to, for example, now, right now we have an account of 100, dollars. If I only want to take 20% risk on it. Okay. So I feel that it's still going to go up. Hence, I'm going to take a buy call. Now, when I'm taking a buy call, okay, I'm going to put the stop loss and the take profit values as well. Okay. So let me put them. The stop loss will be when the price will dip down. So it will be somewhere above this line. Okay. That is somewhere above this line. Here. Somewhere here. Okay. So just going to put in the values for the stop loss. So it's 1.01. Okay. And the take profit would be on the top, which is 1.0285. Okay. So we were at this level. Okay. And we have taken the calls. Okay. So hopefully the price goes up and we get good profits. Okay. Currently we are on a $1 profit. It can be higher profits as well. But we have to see how things go on. Okay. I will keep you posted and I'll keep you updated about the further updates. So just wait and watch and hope the best. Hello, friends. This is Rashmi. Once again, here, welcome to House of Trades. Today, again, we had taken a call the last time, and the call was taken. We were on, since Friday, we were at a loss of minus 13 and minus 5, and now I can see that there is a strike. I mean, there is a sudden change in the candlestick pattern. The price has risen, and we have gone up to $7 now. Okay, so let me just minimize this and show it to you. What we had done earlier is we had put the stop loss and the take profit values. And after that, since it was a Friday, the market has closed. Okay. Today, when the market opened, we were somewhere over here. Okay. And we had to cross this particular line, which now we have. And, right now we are at $7 profit at the most. So I am hoping that this will still further go on, and this was the take profit at the price. This line, as you can see, the dotted lines here, the take profit was on 1.02858. Okay, and the stop loss was on 1.01499. All right, and we had taken the call at the price when the price was on this particular point, which is 1.01886. All right, which is somewhere here. Okay, so now currently we have crossed the point. That's this price, we have crossed it, and I'm still hoping that this will go further, on the top. And if it goes further, then obviously we will, definitely get some profits. I will keep on updating you about what has happened. Meanwhile, since it's a Monday today, so um, we will see a lot of fluctuation because it's the start of the week, and hopefully that fluctuation is good for us, and resulting in good profits. So friends, we have reached profit of $12 at the moment, and as you can see, the market price is rising. Okay, I'm just going to maximize this, zoom out. Yeah, so we had taken a call when the price was at 1.01886. Okay, currently there's a change, that is, it has increased to 265 points, which is somewhere around 1.02152. Okay, if you can see, yeah, if I minimize this, okay, see here. Now I feel, if you see these, okay, we had taken the call here. Okay, and considering that the price was actually, okay, it did not, what I mean to say is, it did not cross this line. Right now it has crossed the price when we had taken the call, hence we are getting some profits here. Okay, so I believe that it will still go up till here. Okay, even if it falls down, it will fall down a little bit. Okay, but we are still far away from the stop loss. Stop loss is somewhere here. Okay, stop loss is somewhere here. That means we if it is hitting the stop loss from this point, it has to cover somewhere around 643 points. Okay, 643 or 649 points. Okay, but what I feel, so okay, if it goes up till here, okay, because earlier also, if you see, it had reached at this level. Okay, that is the price. Let me see what is the price. The price was 1.02396. Okay, that's where it had reached earlier. Okay, and now we are, that means how much? It's somewhere 218 points more. Okay, to come to this point. Okay, 218, or let's consider 220 points. Okay, so that's when it is going to hit this particular resistance, and then it may come back down. Okay, that's that's the later part that we have to check what we'll do about this call, but I am going to hold the call for them. Okay, and our target is up till, I'm just minimizing this, our target is up till here. Okay, this is the point, that is, this is our take profit. Okay, that means we have to still cover how many points? If you consider this line, you have to, so if you see, we have to cover 700 points more. Okay, so I'm going to wait, because even if it is going up, it has already crossed the price. That means we'll get profits. And if it has to come down, then it has to touch the stop loss, and only then we'll get it is a danger for us. Okay.
we will take the call as is from now and hope for the best. I'll keep you updated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, friends, for waiting. Well, as you can see, friends, we were on a profit of around $10 to $12 when we had touched, you know, the price had went from this point until here. And then again, the price dipped. That's when we were on the, positive end. We were on the, on a profit of $10 to $12. And then the profit, kept decreasing. Okay. Now again, it rose and now declined. And now it's rising up again. Hopefully this time, it should touch up and, we should be able to again gain profits. That's what I believe so. All right. I shall keep you posted on the same. Thank you, friends, for waiting. As you can see, um, the last time we had reached till this point, that is at the price 1.02153. Okay. After that, we got a short, that is till up till here. Okay. Again, we went up, and since then, the price has been like up and down, like this, as you can see in these candlesticks pattern. Okay. For now, I can see that it is still moving up. Eventually, this trend is an uptrend. Okay. If you see from here, it's moving upwards only, but currently here it is going up. Okay. So it will take a resistance somewhere over here and down again. Okay. So I think this call has been going since like Friday, the same call, and I would like to stop it. Okay. And instead of stopping, I'm thinking to, you can, there's another option of changing the stop loss or the take profit. So I may opt for, the take profit. I'll just shift that, little downwards, and then maybe we can see if we are supposed to close the call or what we can do there. Okay. So as of now, currently you see here, we have the take profit somewhere over here. Okay. So if the point touches, if it touches, see this is where we are at the time. Okay. And if it touches this line, okay, then the call will get auto closed. Okay. The next resistance is somewhere here. Okay. At this point. So I'm going to shift the take profit because this is too long. Okay. So I will just shift this. Okay. And this line also can be shifted because we take this as the new resistance. Okay. So now let's see whether it is touching it or or we are still supposed to wait. Okay, hopefully it does go and beyond process this boundary. Um, I will keep you posted on this. As you can see here, currently I see that there is a formation of a bearish candle. Okay, since I said this is the area where earlier the price had resisted and it had come down. So I think again here, again if you can see there is a bearish formation. So if this candle is coming downwards, if the price is falling from here, then naturally it will come down till this level and then again try to move up. So I'm just going to wait because this is the decision making candle for us. I feel so. Okay. If this is the a bullish candle, then it may go upwards. If it is a bearish candle, if the formation is bearish, then it will climb downwards. This candle and one more candle, that may happen. Okay. But I won't take any chance further because it's been a very long time since last Friday. That is since 6th of August. The same call has been going on. Friday was it was 5th, sorry, 5th of August. Okay, so hopefully, I'm expecting the price to go higher, but nothing is in our hand. We'll have to take actions according to the movement of the candlesticks. Okay, we just wait and watch how things happen, and take things ahead accordingly. As you can see, it was a as you can see it was a bearish candle. Okay, and there is a moment downwards. So I'm just going to stop the call, take whatever profits we have. I will just withdraw that, okay, because it's definitely going to go down. Yeah, and as you can see here, see there's a red, what do you say, mark kind of, pointing downward. That means there is a lot of pressure. Okay, here that's the reason the price is resisting that. Okay, so the call has been closed, and the profit that was taken was, I think, somewhere around $9. Okay, that's where we are for today. Okay, and this call was taken on Friday, that is 5th of August. Since then, Saturday, Sunday, the market was closed. And since morning, this is the moment that we have looked at. All right. So hence, I will think of I may think of taking another call. Okay, but hopefully that depends on the market condition. If I do so, then I will definitely update you. Okay. Thank you.